Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me for my unboxing and my review for this Ellen Wille style from the Modix collection, which is called Alasia Super, and I have it in the color Bahama Beige shaded. If you're wondering what I'm wearing, this is the beautiful Luzzi Monopart, also by Ellen Wille, and it's in the color Chocolate Shaded. I will put the link down below to this piece and to Alasia in the description box. Both are available from Adorans Trendco, and when you use my code K20 you will get an amazing 20% off. So let's unbox and give you my first impressions. Alasia is a longer style with an almost all hand-tied cap from what I can see. Right, so let's look at the cap construction. We have a mono top, so that means you can part it wherever you like in this section. So you can have a middle part, side part, whichever side you want. You have an extended lace front, and you have smaller ear tabs than usual, which means you really have a very natural line, and only this little bit here will be visible on your face. So a really natural hairline there. Well, I hope so anyway. We will see when I put it on. You have metal stays in them still, so you still can mold this to your head really nicely. And then you have a mainly hand-tied cap. So everything here at the front is hand-tied. This middle section is hand-tied. And then you have some covered wefts here at the back, which just allows for a little bit of stability, which means it doesn't sag down if it's not quite the right size for you. You have an extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters and little bit of stretch here, not much. Beautiful longer style, and look at this color, Bahama Beige shade. So you can see it has layers in here, especially here at the front. Longer layers, but obviously I will put that on for you so we can see that. And then you have a few like curves here, so it's not a dead straight style. So I think that makes it probably look really quite natural, because bio hair wouldn't stay straight all the time even after you straighten it. So really, I think it will look really natural. Let's pop that on. We get the placement right. 4 fingers from the bridge of your nose. So it has to come down just a little bit, like there. Right, wow. Right, let me not play with it too much. Let me just comb it through just a little bit. This is a beautiful style. It hugs your face nicely with those layers and then comes back out here. As you can see, you have these layers here. A little bit of a flopper. But this is heat-friendly fiber, so you can just add some heat, clip it back, put the heat on, so with a hairdryer, ideally, clip it back, let it cool. So whenever you want to change something with heat-friendly fibers, let it cool. The cooling process will make that change. So let's look at it from all sides. So let's look at the lace front. Absolutely stunning. Look at this front bit here. You wouldn't know that this isn't my hair. And then that super extended lace front. So the actual ear tabs is just this bit here. The rest is a lace front. The ear tabs obviously are longer here, but the front bit is all lace. So you have that natural look, so you can pull it back and it looks natural. So let's look at the part line. Let me randomly select somewhere. Wow. Great part there. Very natural. me just leave it there so you get an idea of what it looks like if you part it slightly differently. I probably prefer it like this actually on me. A bit more like so. Slightly off center. I think it's where I prefer to wear my part. This is a pretty style. So far, I'm really impressed. Let's talk about the fit. So I have, without hair, I had a 21.5-inch circumference. I now have regrowth and a wig cap on, so I'm slightly above it. Straight out the box, I have not changed the adjusters at all. It fits beautifully. It feels really comfortable. So where are the adjusters? There's a little bit of room to widen it, and there is a little bit of room to tighten it as well. I do think there is a bit of gapping. I do think this is a petite average cap, but it is slightly bigger than other caps I tried by the Modix collection. So, not sure if you experienced the same. Let me know down below. It's always really interesting to know. Let's talk about the density. I hope you can see this is very natural density. I would class this as a low density piece. There is no permatease here, nothing big and poofy. Maybe a slight bit around the covered wefts, but it's nothing really to mention. And I think how it sits on the head, I think it looks really natural. So these fibers are heat-friendly fibers. So that means you can change the look if you wanted to. So you can straighten out these curves here a little bit if you wanted to, or you can add waves or curls to it. They feel incredibly soft. Really look how fine they are. Feels absolutely gorgeous. In terms of tangling now straight out the box, there is a little bit of tangling. Just a little bit. But I also noticed, so please be aware, I'm wearing quite a woolly jumper. And I noticed when I wear a woolly jumper that the fibers seem to tangle more. And I just think it's something to do with the texture of them both interacting with each other. When I wear a cotton jumper, for example, there's hardly any tangling. So it's just something to be aware of, that what you wear also makes a difference of how badly your wig could tangle. One thing I do with longer pieces to minimize the tangling, which mainly happens at the nape, is wear it like this, so all the hair to the front. It will not get rid of the tangling, but it will help it. So I would also use some silicone spray before I go out, because what it does is it coats the fibers and makes them a bit smoother, which helps that they don't rub on each other quite as much. And obviously, always have your white tooth comb with you, and throughout the day, just get rid of the tangles. Start from the bottom, work your way up. Don't start from the top, because you will drag down on the fibers and you will put strain on it, and that will not be good for them. So let's look at this color. This is a gorgeous color. So I put the description on the screen for you. So hopefully that will help you get a really good idea if this color might be for you. And towards the end of the video, I will put outside footage in as well. So hopefully that will show you and give you a better idea of what this color looks like outside in natural light. So let's talk about styling. As we mentioned before, these are heat-friendly fibers, so you can change what it looks like by either straightening it out more, adding waves or curls to it. If you don't want to do any of it, you can do a low pony. So you have these layers here at the front. I would probably get them out, just so they frame your face a bit. And then you have this look. You can also have a side pony, so it's long enough for that. And here you can see the density of this piece. You can also have two bunches, half up, half down. can also clip it up. Just ignore the tag. This is another way to kind of help with tangling and frizzing a little bit. So if you just tie it up like so, there's not much where the fibers can rub up against. Tuck it. Or you can have a little headband, which you also can wear like so. Because you have this super extended lace front here. I still would probably take out some front bits, but that's just me. Twist the front and clip that back like so. You can obviously do that on both sides. So tell me what you think of Alasia Super by Ellen Wille, available from Adorans Trendco. Don't forget to use my code K20 and I will put the link down below to this piece in the description box, and Adorans Trendco does ship worldwide. So if you have any questions, any comments, put them down below, and I hope I see you very, very soon. Have a wonderful day.